Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox mobile. It is a pretty quick and simple. So without waste your time, let's get started. First, open your Roblox and you see the top left corner Roblox icon. Click this and go to setting. Then scroll down and you see the graphic mode. I suggest you always choose the graphic mode is automatic. You can select manual if your mobile phone is a very good. Otherwise, you always choose the automatic graphic. And the second option is always close all other apps running in the background to free up memory and processing power. It's helped you to make smoother. The third step is go to your Play Store and your App Store. And search Roblox and see your Roblox is updated and your device is also updated. Ensure both Roblox and your device operating system are updated to the latest version for optimal performance and bug fixes. It is a very simple and easy method to fix lag in Roblox easily. Sometimes your network is slow, then Roblox is a lag. Also, then click the Roblox and go to App Inform. Click the storage and cache. If your Roblox is very lag, then click the clear cache and restart your phone. Click the clear cache and restart your phone. I hope this following step help you to fix lag in Roblox on mobile. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and share the video to other friends. I hope this video is helpful to you.